Hello guys, I'm from Crescent Classes Mumbai. In previous videos we have discussed about career opportunities in the medical and paramedical field. Now in this video we'll discuss about career opportunities in the engineering. Engineering is the very vast field having hundreds of specialization options. We can divide engineering into three sub-branches. First is traditional engineering, and other is non-traditional or latest field of engineering, and last one is chemical orientation engineering. The third one is most underrated field and give highest package than any other branches. This video is not only helpful for 12th science students but also for diploma students. Now we'll first discuss about traditional field of engineering. The courses in traditional engineering are a lot older than other engineering fields. 1. Aeronautical engineering is the primary field of engineering concerned with the development of aircraft and spacecraft. It has two major and overlapping branches, aeronautical engineering and astronautical engineering. Aeronautical engineering was the original term for the field. Automobile. 2. Automobile engineering is a branch of engineering which deals with designing, manufacturing and operating automobiles. It is a segment of vehicle engineering which deals with motorcycles, buses, trucks, etc. It includes mechanical, electrical, electronic, software and safety elements. 3. Civil engineering is the broadest of the engineering fields. Civil engineering focuses on the infrastructure of the world, which include waterworks, sewers, dams, power plants, transmission towers/lines, railroads, highways, bridges, tunnels, irrigation canals, river navigation, shipping canals, traffic control, mass transit, airport runways, terminals, industrial plant buildings, skyscrapers, etc. Civil engineers build the world's infrastructure. Some of the career prospects are: a large number of civil engineers are recruited through Indian Engineering Services, by UPSC. A large number of civil engineers are recruited in various state departments. After a little experience one can start his own consultancy. RCC structural designer, steel structural designer, bridge designer, site engineers, construction planners and evaluators. 4. Electronic and communication engineering involves researching, designing, developing and testing of electronic equipment used in various systems. Electronics and communications engineers also conceptualize and oversee the manufacturing of communications and broadcast systems. This stream of engineering deals with analog transmission, basic electronics, microprocessors, solid-state devices, digital and analog communication, analog integrated circuits, microwave engineering, satellite communication, antennae and wave progression. It also deals with the manufacturing of electronic devices, circuits, and communications equipment. 5. Information technology engineering. IT engineers help to meet employers' needs for computer hardware, software, and networking tools. They work to develop, test, install, configure and troubleshoot computer hardware and software. It's basically related to computers and items related to the system. 6. Mechanical engineering is the core branch of engineering that applies engineering, physics, and materials science principles to design, analyze, manufacture and maintain mechanical systems. It is the branch of engineering that involves the design, production, and operation of machinery. It is one of the oldest and broadest of the engineering disciplines. 7. Electrical engineering is about the study of electrical energy and its applications. Nowadays electricity is the soul of world. Without electrical engineering you can't imagine the evolution of modern world. It includes study of electrical circuits, power plant, solar energy and invention of new green technology. An electrical engineer is designing the electric machines and maintain the system. Now we'll have a look on non-traditional or latest field of engineering. As compared to the traditional engineering, it is far newer. This field is originated in early 19th century as technology is drastically developed worldwidely. Now we'll have look on list of latest engineering. 1. Industrial engineering. Industrial engineering is a branch of engineering which deals with the optimization of complex processes, systems, or organizations. Industrial engineers work to eliminate waste of time, money, materials, person-hours, machine time, energy, and other resources that do not generate value. According to the Institute of Industrial and Systems Engineers, they create engineering processes and systems that improve quality and productivity. Industrial engineering is concerned with the development, improvement, and implementation of integrated systems of people, money, knowledge, information, equipment, energy, materials, analysis and synthesis, as well as the mathematical, physical, and social sciences together with the principles and methods of engineering designed to specify, predict, and evaluate the results to be obtained from such systems or processes. While their industrial engineering is a long-standing engineering discipline, subject to, and eligible for, professional engineering licensure in most jurisdictions, its underlying concepts overlap considerably with certain business-oriented disciplines such as operations management. 2. Instrumentation and control engineering refers to the graduate discipline which many universities provide at graduate and postgraduate level. Instrumentation and control plays a significant role in both gathering information from the field and changing the field parameters, and as such are a key part of control loops. The instrumentation technology, being an interdisciplinary branch of engineering, is heading towards development of new and intelligent sensors, smart transducers, M.E.M.S technology, Bluetooth technology. This discipline finds its origin in both electrical and electronics engineering, and it covers subjects related to electronics, electrical, mechanical, chemical and computing streams. In short, it deals with measurement, automation, and control processes. In today's scenario, there are many people who are willing to make a career in this stream. Almost all process and manufacturing industries such as steel, oil, petrochemical, power, and defense production will have a separate instrumentation and control department, which is manned and managed by instrumentation and control engineers. Automation is the buzzword in process industry, and automation is the core job of instrumentation and control engineers. Hence, the demand for instrumentation will always be there. 3. Electrical and electronics. In electronic engineering, engineer designs electronic circuits, devices, microprocessors, microcontrollers and other systems and deals with implementation of applications, principles, and algorithms developed within many related fields, for example solid-state physics, radio engineering, telecommunications, control systems, signal processing, systems engineering, computer engineering, instrumentation engineering, electric power control, robotics, and many others. In electrical engineering, engineer deals with the study and application of electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism. 4. Marine engineering. Marine engineering includes the engineering of boats, ships, oil rigs and any other marine vessel or structure, as well as oceanographic engineering. 5. Print and media technology. Print and media technology is the recent addition to the list of distinctive courses in engineering. This course helps students to learn about high-quality printing machines used in various divisions like newspapers, magazines, etc. 6. Nuclear engineering. Nuclear engineering is the branch of engineering concerned with the application of breaking down atomic nuclei, fission, or of combining atomic nuclei, fusion, or with the application of other subatomic processes based on the principles of nuclear physics. 7. Dairy technology. Dairy technology is a science and engineering field that deals with the study of milk processing and its products. It is a part of food technology and processing industry that involves processing, packaging, distribution and transportation of various dairy products such as milk and ice cream by using the science of biochemistry, bacteriology, and nutrition. The field of dairy technology basically uses technology to make dairy products high as well as useful. 8. Genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is concerned with deliberate manipulation of the genetic material, DNA, of a living organism by artificial methods. The study of genetic engineering involves insertion of new genetic material at an unspecified location in the host genome by isolating and copying the genetic material of interest using molecular cloning methods to generate a DNA sequence containing the required genetic elements for expression, and then inserting this construct into the host organism. Other methods consist of gene targeting and knocking out exact genes via engineered nucleases such as zinc finger nucleases or engineered homing endonucleases. The field of genetic engineering studies how traits and characteristics of an organism are transmitted through the generations, and how genetic disorders are caused. Genetic engineering is also concerned with developing hybrid varieties of plants, making plants disease-resistant. Genetic engineering techniques are used in research, biotechnology, and medicine. Now we'll discuss about the chemical-oriented engineering. This field is unknown to many students and parents. This field is most underrated field of engineering. These field give highest salary package. In Maharashtra most of chemical-related engineering courses are offered by Institute of Chemical Technology and VJTI, Mumbai. Now we will discuss chemical-related courses one by one. 1. Fiber and Textile Processing. B.Tech in Fibers and Textile Processing Technology is a 4-year undergraduate course focusing on specialization in fibers, color and garment industry, on the laws and principles for different techniques which are utilized for further development and manufacture of all types of yarn and fibers etc. The basic eligibility for the course is a 10+2 qualification with a minimum aggregate score of 50% in chemistry, mathematics, and biology. Students are exposed to the interaction of material-machine, natural and man-made materials, energy conservation, pollution, waste control, safety, and health. Textile engineering deals with both textile and physical principles related to engineering and scientific methods which are used for creating and manufacturing textile and fibers. It also includes merchandising and also improving existing textile fibers and technology. B.Tech in Fibers and Textile Processing Technology, who should opt? Students willing to pursue the course with the specialization of textile engineering should be good at mathematics, chemistry, and biology with analytical thinking and creative mind. As the course requires specialization in many subjects, students are supposed to be open to a multidisciplinary curriculum which can include more than one field of study. 2. Food Engineering and Technology. Food engineering is a multidisciplinary field which combines microbiology, applied physical sciences, chemistry, and engineering for food and related industries. Food engineering includes, but is not limited to, the application of agricultural engineering, mechanical engineering, and chemical engineering principles to food materials. Food engineers provide the technological knowledge transfer essential to the cost-effective production and commercialization of food products and services. Physics, chemistry, and mathematics are fundamental to understanding and engineering products and operations in the food industry. 3. Oil, oleochemical, and surfactant technology. B.Tech in oleochemicals and surfactants technology is the branch of engineering that covers specializations like plant and animal fats, liquidity, and wetting agent areas etc. Oleochemical derivatives are used in industries as surfactants, emulsifiers, wetting agents, anti-static agents, softeners, antimicrobial agents etc. It is a 4-year-long full-time course consisting of 8 semesters, with 2 semesters in each year. 4. Pharmaceutical Chemistry and Technology. B.Tech in Pharmaceuticals Chemistry and Technology is primarily about the study of pharmacological, chemical, regulative, and technological aspects of medicine-related science. The course is an undergraduate program in chemical engineering and was earlier imparted as BSc. It explores the subject of manufacture of pharmaceuticals and drugs, chemical engineering, and computation. 5. Polymer Engineering and Technology. Polymer engineering is a subfield of materials engineering primarily focusing on the development of new products. Polymer engineers often study plastics, although other substances are also considered polymers. With training in polymer engineering and technology, you might work as a polymer engineer, studying plastics and other polymers at the molecular level, selecting polymers for new applications and testing or processing plastics for new products. Alternatively, you might choose less scientific and more production-based work as an engineering technician or technologist, focusing on breaking down wood, cotton, petrochemicals, and other raw materials to create polymers in an industrial plant. 6. Surface Coating Technology. B.Tech in Surface Coating Technology is a 4-year undergraduate program offered by universities/institutes in the field of plastic/polymer technology. The main objective of the course is to enable students to devise innovative solutions to meet the needs of industry research segments of society with regard to surface coating engineering. The curriculum covers areas such as polymer physics and rubber compounding. 7. Chemical Engineering, B.Chem. Chemical engineering is a 4-year undergraduate degree in engineering. 10+2 pass or equivalent students are eligible to take admission. Chemical engineering degree can get you a job in different sectors like oil, gas, and energy, manufacturing and consumer goods, pharmaceuticals, chemical industries, and various. The salary of chemical engineering fresher ranges from Rs 3.9 lakhs to Rs 21.00 lakhs per annum. Chemical engineering students have a plethora of options for higher studies. They can do their MS, MBA, MTech, or PhD from India and abroad. B.Chem is the special degree only offered by ICT, Mumbai. 8. Dyestuff Technology. B.Tech in Dyestuff and Intermediate Technology is an academic discipline related to organic chemistry. Revolving around synthesis or combination of colorants on a large-scale basis, this course also focuses on laboratory training. 9. Chemical Engineering, B.Tech. Chemical engineering is all about changing raw materials into useful products such as clothes, food and drink, and energy. Chemical engineers focus on processes and products. They develop and design processes to create products, either focusing on improving existing processes or creating new ones. This means that they are also concerned with managing resources, protecting the environment and health and safety. Chemical engineers are sometimes called universal engineers because it is such a broad discipline. They are essentially concerned with transforming one thing into another. Chemical-related engineering courses are mostly offered by the Institute of Chemical Technology ICT Mumbai, as these institutes are fully dedicated to the chemical research and chemical-related courses. Apart from these institutes, some of these courses are offered by VJTI College, which is exactly opposite to the ICT. We have seen the career options, but you want to join this courses, then question is how to join? Don't worry, we are here to give answer for this. For diploma students, if have secured very good marks in your examination, then you can directly join second year of the degree course, which same as you have in your diploma. And another option for you is the crack the entrance exams like TSE and MSET. For 12th science students, you can join any of these courses by clearing any of the entrance exams. TSE. Full form of TSE Main is Joint Entrance Exam, TSE, Main. It is a national-level undergraduate engineering entrance exam conducted for admission to B.Tech or B programs offered by 31 NITs, 25 IIITs, and 28 CFTIs. Also, TSE Main is the qualifying test for TSE Advanced, through which candidates get admission to 23 IITs. From 2019 onwards, TSE Main is conducted by National Testing Agency, NTA, twice in a year, i.e. January and April. MSET. Full form of MHT Set is Maharashtra Common Entrance Test. It is conducted annually by the Directorate of Technical Education, DTE, Government of Maharashtra, for admission to undergraduate degree courses of engineering, pharmacy, and agriculture streams in various colleges across the state. Earlier the test scores were also used for admissions to medical degree courses, but after introduction of NEET, the same has been scrapped.